guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Generative Coach. We are back with a new AI tool. This time we are having a AI tool for creating a UI. Yes, you heard me right. With a prompt you can create a beautiful UI that directly catch a viewer attention. Not only that, this tool is also 100% free. Not just a few limited features, but every and each feature. It's a completely free AI tool. So let's start with the login. I'm logged in with my Google account. When you land on the page, you will see an overview explaining how capable the application is and what you can do with it. It offers collaboration and creative wizard, which I will show you in a couple of minutes. Then there is a Magicon feature which creates images, icons and all sort of things. You can also enhance your image, remove background and much more. Use this tool. Let's see what we can do. Not only this, another significant feature is the automatic style guide, which is their latest feature. After that, there is the audit tool where you can audit your design. Yes, you can audit your design. The AI will suggest improvements and the better alternatives for the different elements. All you need to do is log in and create an account. I have already created mine, so let's make. Once you enter in the dashboard, it's similar to the Figma and XD. So if you are a regular UI UX designer, you don't face any issue. The user interface will be the same and you can use it like you are used to. There are many options here and you can import design files from Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD and other tools directly into Creatie.ai. Wow! Like seriously? Let's start it. One of the biggest benefit is its draft feature. As you know, Figma recently removed its draft feature. But with this AI, you have a draft system. You can store unlimited number of files without spending any penny. Let me click on a new file to show you how this tool works. You will get an interface similar to the other designing tool. For example, if we create a frame, on the right side of your screen, you get a similar presets of phone, tablets and desktop. So let's take a very basic template for now for iPhone 16 frame. With this, there is an AI button. We see there is a different features like Generative UI, Wizard, Magicon, Image Enhancer, Audit, Replace and Style Guides. So we are going to show you some main features you can use. The first is Creative Wizard, which is very important. Then there is an audit to check your design. You can also use Magicon to generate image and icons. Yes, you can generate unlimited images and icons. So let's start with a Creative Wizard. Simply drag and drop the element you need into the area. I will search for a tabs and select the one I need. Now let's try to add travel. After searching for a travel, you will see a lot of options. It will take a little bit of time, a few seconds. The tool will automatically generate text, image and including reviews and more. You can modify and adjust them to your liking. Another feature is the design audit. This is also a very brilliant feature. You can select a design element and it will give you an audit of the text, corner radius and more. For example, after selecting the options and clicking audit, it will analyze the design and give suggestion for improvement. Yes, with just a click, you can get a different kind of perspective to adjust your text. It will tell you about the accessibility issue, contrast ratio and much more. Once you click on it, this tool applies all for you in a single click. Yes, you don't have to be a designer eye to create a UI. Yes, with this tool, you don't need a designer eye. And if you go for the style guide option, it will give you a guidelines for your design also. You see how amazing it is? Yes, it automatically gives you a guidelines. You don't have to put the guideline manually over your design to zoom in into a single pixel. There are many more features you can explore in this AI. I highly recommend it. Give it a try. It's not just another random tool. It's a powerful design tool for your daily work. If you are not even a designer, you can design any UI with just a few clicks. I have personally started this design into and believe it, it's a very powerful thing. The link to this tool will be in the description and you can try it out. Start creating your design. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye. And also you can see our previous videos on different AI like this. Thank you for the watching. Please do like, subscribe our channel if you like our video.